This topic is neospinothalamic pathway, which is a fast pain pathway. Okay, so let's first understand what is pain. So pain is psychical adjunct of impending tissue damage. Pain can be either fast pain or slow pain. Now we are studying about fast pain. We'll see about slow pain in next video. So what is fast pain? Fast pain is a sharp pain or pricking pain which is felt within 0.1 second of injury. The conduction velocity of fast pain is 6 to 30 meter per second, and it is carried by A delta fibers which is having diameter of 2.5 microns. Okay, and it transmits mechanical and thermal pain. Okay, now let's see about how this pathway works. So first, what happens when there is an injury to any tissue, then these pain receptors are stimulated, which are called as nociceptors. Okay, these nociceptors are nothing but free nerve endings. They are what? Free nerve endings. Okay, so once these pain receptors are stimulated, they further stimulate dorsal root ganglion cell. And from this dorsal root ganglion cell arises first order neuron. Okay, so this first order neuron now that enters into the spinal cord, and it either ascends upwards or downwards, and it travels through one or two spinal cord sections, and then by forming tract of Lizard. Okay, and then it further terminates, this first order neuron further terminates on the lamina 1 of dorsal horn, that is also called as lamina marginalis, and from here arises second order neuron which crosses to the opposite side through anterior commissure, and then it further ascends upwards through lateral spinothalamic tract. Okay, and then the second order neuron further enters into the medulla through spinal lemniscus, and when it enters into the medulla, it gives collaterals to the reticular formation in medulla, pons and midbrain. Then the second order neuron further it terminates in the ventrobasal complex, which contains ventro-posterolateral and ventro-posteromedial nuclei of thalamus. Then arises third order neuron, and third order neuron projects to the somatosensory cortex of post-central gyrus. This is the schematic diagram. I do not recommend it to draw in the answer sheet, or maybe you can draw if you can see reference from any book, but it's completely schematic. It will help you to write the answer. And the importance of fast pain is it immediately informs brain about harmful stimulus and further elicits withdrawal reflex, and it helps in localization of pain. So this was all about our fast pain. Okay, thank you.